Well, because Nicky had such good luck the last time, we're going to let him choose and click again and see if his prediction is true. Nope, not even close. Keep moving. To your right. Right. Okay. All right.
Remember, I do.
I know.
Oh.
I know. Into the portal we go. Cube's getting ready for us. All right. Hands off. Does he have the magic touch? I don't know.
I had it once.
Here we go. An uncommon man at arms!
I do!
You are 2 for 2! I don't believe it. Look at that. See? Daddy pulls one common after the other. You show up and you get us a couple of good ones. Unbelievable.
I have a magic.
Well, we're going to have to keep this going and see what Nicky does next. I don't believe it. He's proud of himself. All right. What do you guys think? Think he can do it again? 3 for 3?
Leave it in the comments.
Third time's the charm.
Leave it in the comments if I can do it or not.
I guess we'll see.